The main fracking fluid is water. After the process of being exerted into the ground, it has a chance to surface again. However, now the water is filled with the chemicals used in the fracking fluids. The water used in nearby communities is now polluted and creates a variety of health risks. Only 30 to 50% of the chemicals resurface, meaning the rest of them are left in the groundwater and in the land, creating risks for both the environment and the people surrounding it.
Fracking not only pollutes water, but the air as well. Methane has been known to be created when fracking occurs, and methane releases into the atmosphere above, contributing to carbon emissions and global warming. The environment is exposed to toxic chemicals, which is absorbed by plants. Fracking-induced earthquakes have been known to emerge as well. If done improperly, oil has the possibility of exploding beneath the surface, creating oil spills. These oil spills affect ecosystems, in turn disrupting food systems. Fracking has a constant domino effect on the environment. Growing plants absorb these chemicals, which then enter the food chain. Humans and animals then eat these plants and are exposed to these heavy chemicals, which can accumulate in body tissues and cause serious damage. Between 60 and 80% of the water used in fracking remains underground, where it can potentially leak into and contaminate underground aquifers. The remaining 20 to 40% of the water returns to the surface, where it can poison nearby water sources if not dealt with properly.
Let us make man in our image, after our likeness. Let them have dominion over the fish of the sea, the birds of the air, and the cattle, and all over the wild animals, and all the creatures that crawl on the ground. Genesis 1:26-27.
The earth is God's, and we are the stewards of it. When we do things that protect the earth and care for it, we acknowledge that the earth is not ours to do with as we please, but also show reverence to God, the creator of all. We need to care for our earth because if we don't and fracking continues, our world as well as us will be in danger.
God created the world for it to be taken care of, and with fracking, it ruins the environment, along with some of our only natural resources that are slowly dwindling as it is.
The Lord God then took the man and settled him in the garden of Eden to cultivate and care for it. Genesis 2:15. That we are all created in the image and likeness of God.
Because of this fact, every single person's life is valued and is sacred.
People's lives are being inflicted on by fracking because of the later effects on their health as well as their land, crops, and animals. Everyone has the right to clean drinking water, a sustainable environment, and to be in control of the community uses around them. However, fracking does not give a chance for all this to occur.
Fracking not only infringes on human rights and the environment, but on moral obligations. In order to end fracking, it is our responsibility to stand up to these sort of injustices all around us.